Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is DM Freelance and Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to create custom header and the footer for your WordPress website. So I'm gonna install the plugins called Elementor header and the footer builder. Click on plugins and add new plugins and search for the header Elementor header and footer builder and just click on install. Then click on activate. The once you click on activate, you can go for appearance. You can see the Elementor header and the footer builder. Click on it, then click on header. So this, click on add new, then name it as a header, then select the templates. I choose the header and I'm gonna add all the page and you reach this blank page. So what I'm gonna do now is I will click on here template. You can get this from WordPress store. So click on here blocks and header, then choose the good one. I insert this one. This is look good. So now it's showing. So what I'm going to do now is change. I'm gonna add the logo here. Search on logo and site logo. Drop into it and click on custom image. And here is my logo. I already done before. This size is 100 pixel by 100. Click on insert. So this look big. I change the size to 150 thumbnail. Adjust the size from the style. Okay, and I change this one to call now. I change here to tell. This is someone's number. Add the number here and click on update. Let's see. So this color is not suiting, so I'm gonna change the color. It's the same, and click on here in the middle, then on the style, click on style and click on the color and change the color. I pasted the color. So now the text is not visible. So what I'm going to do now is click on here, the style, here text color. I'm going to make this white, and the hover is I'm going to change as yeah, it's look good. Yeah, it's nice. And the active color is white. Okay, I changed as other color. So now it's look good. So I'm going to add the hover text, our style. So click on here on the content, on the pointer I put the underline. So the underline color, change this to, so go here and go here, change the point color to the same color as this, copy, paste here. Yeah, it's look good. And I'm going to change this button color on the style, text color white, and this border is also white. Yeah, it's look good. The header is done. So let's see how it's look. Yeah, it's look nice. So I'm gonna make the footer now. I'm going to make a footer. The name is footer, and I select the footer. Then display on, I choose the all page and publish. Click on publish, and after it's done, then I clicked on the edit with Elementor. Now you will get the blank page, same as before. Then click on template and blog. I choose this one. I click on install, install and import. Now it's successfully inserted. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this color. Here's this background. Click on the middle of this and click on the style. Click on here on the image and choose the image. Go and insert. I change this one into the position I changed to center. So default is I made to center, and I change this repeat. Oh, sorry, the size is on the size. I change this as a cover photo. So this is like this fit into the this size is fit into the box. Okay. Then so click on update. Yeah, now it's successfully updated. So let's go and refresh your website. Yeah, here we go. We change the footer, so it's look good. Thank you for watching my videos. Please go and subscribe. Thank you.